Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today's video is a little bit different than normal. So for years I've wondered how to cut the little stringy fat thing out of a chicken tenderloin, and about 6 months ago on Instagram I saw a really short video on how to do it, and then recently it's been going all over TikTok. So I thought if any of you guys didn't know how to do it yet, I thought, this video might help some of you. So I'm going to show you how to take the fat out of a chicken tenderloin in a super simple, fast, easy way. I hope you guys all enjoy it, and if you are new here, I'd love to have you over at my channel, so go ahead and subscribe down below the video. But let's get to it. For starting out, I'm just having my cutting board right here. I have a fork. You're just going to need one fork, and then I have the bowl I'm going to be putting my chicken in after, and then you will need a paper towel. And then I just have my chicken. This is just the chicken tenderloin. I got it from Macy's, my local grocery store. So let's start. So as you guys could see, the little fat piece right here, I don't know if it bugs anybody else except for me, but I always just hate seeing this on chicken tenderloins, and it really bugged me even more when I was pregnant. So what you're going to do is the little fat stringy piece right here, you're going to grab one of your paper towels, and you're just going to hold it with the paper towel just like this, and then you're going to grab your fork, and then you're going to pull down on it. And there you go. Your fat stringy piece is out of your chicken tenderloin, and now you just have this perfect, beautiful chicken tenderloin that you could do anything with. So let me show you guys again. This was honestly a game changer for me when I found out how to do this, because I always hated seeing that little fat piece right here in my chicken tenderloins. I don't know, it always has bugged me. I know it's fine, you could eat it of course, but it's just more of something that just bugs me, I guess. And that is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about it, you could ask me in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.